use the spoon to eat it.
Let's try. You see that? You tried it. You said it and you picked the spoon up and you tried it.
I think he said.
I'm sure he said it.
Yep. That was a confirmed.
Beans are so good. You loving them? Oh, and loving the beans? The yummy beans. Delish.
Can you say chili? Chili. You're eating chili. Where's your grilled cheese? Get it
Good
in
job.
your mouth.
Good job.
Very good.
All right.
Oh, yeah.
You are good.
Mm.
Oh, watch this, and you did with all those beans on there.
Good for you. Well done.
More chili.
Mmm.
Wow.
Hallelujah.
Yum bean.
Yum bean.